gotta go to Burger King.
Let's review a Whopper.
We're gonna get a Whopper #1 meal, baby!
Yeah, this is Ben. He's gonna review a Whopper.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just got Ben the BK app, and he earned some crowns, right? Isn't that cool? Alright, what are you getting? Getting a bunch of ice?
Spider Coke.
Coke. Hell yeah.
People are eating.
Yeah, people are eating, dude.
Alright, so we got the Coke.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Can't see that. Can't see. You're stupid, dude. You're stupid.
We probably shouldn't sit so far. Let's sit
Oh yeah, yeah.
ready to devour that one. Thank you. Have a good one.
How is it? What
I
happened?
wonder why we didn't get a tray.
Oh yeah, it didn't give us a tray. Oh yeah, because we did for a
We didn't
takeout.
pick up.
Yeah, pick up.
Oopsie daisies.
Pick up.
You don't get hot, you got hot, man?
No, not really.
I'm gonna tell you something for real. I used to have hair like that. So that's why I'm gonna tell you something.
Oh, yeah?
My brother, who was like the same age of me, well, you know, not the same age, 1 year, he used to wear a hat all the time. And eventually, that hair needs to breathe. He's bald. So remember this, and I'm gonna tell it to you because I know it happened to him. And we went to the doctor and said, hair needs to breathe. So when you put a hat on all the time, you're eventually gonna get bald headed. Oh. No, seriously,
Wow.
seriously. You take a look at some baseball players and stuff like that, and you see them, they're here and here and here. That they wear caps all the time. And people that wear, you know, I'm not gonna tell you that so that you take your hat off. I'm just saying, once in a while, you need to let your hair breathe. If not, you're gonna end up bald headed because hair, no matter what, no matter how young you are, especially if you do it from the beginning, because you're beginning to get there and all the pores are open, and you close them up, you'll eventually, when you're 20 and 30, I'm sure you're not even 30 yet. It'll go like that. I work at a barber shop. I know what I'm talking about. And that hair that you got, I used to have it. Oh, my bitches used to love it.
What's your name?
Johnny. Here's something, bro.
Nice to meet you.
I'm the most real motherfucker there is. And I'm an old man, but I'll tell you the truth. Everybody I've ever met, I told you the truth. Because an old man told me, listen, I saw you begging for $5. And I was about 9. I said, yeah, but I'm hungry. He said, listen, in America, all you need to do is work. And I said, yeah, but I'm 9. He said, pay attention. And once you work and you get that check, you'll have everything. And don't stop working. Stop working when you know you can afford not to work again, which means that you have something that makes money. I said, but I'm 9. I said, go up. Go around your neighborhood with your friends and start cutting yards. Hey, that's a good dude. At 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, I had money. I went around my neighborhood and told every kid and every girl, listen, let's talk to our dad and mom, or just cut our neighborhood. Our neighborhood is 50 blocks that way, 50 blocks, we'll all do it. We'll go and do this block, and my whole neighborhood, my whole kids back in Miami Lakes. 80% of them started getting businesses and doing, you know, like they do now with these trucks and all that shit. And they were only 14, 15, 16, 17, and when they were 19 and 20, they had bucks. And when you got money, all pussy in the world is yours.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You gotta make money, but you can't let money make you. Because if you let money make you, take you to the back ends and stuff, it's going to fuck you up in 1 or 2 years. And if you don't believe that, look at all these rock and roll places, rock and roll stars and stuff like that. All that money and shit, all the time, bam, OD. Yo, Chris died in OD. Michael Jackson died in OD. Chris died. Yeah. Look, I met Trippie Redd. You know who Trippie Redd is?
Oh yeah.
We met him.
Really?
I'm gonna show you. We make videos. We make music videos.
Really?
Yeah. And I met him in the... Just Google this motherfucker and you'll probably see us in there and stuff like that. This is called Memory Lane. This is my nephew. He writes for like Ludacris. Who's that girl? Alicia Keys. Let me show you. That's him. That's him. They were recording together. And we were in the studio. He's got a studio here. He's got another studio in Miramar. And we were inside. See the microphone and shit? That's me. And we were in there and stuff. we were in there with Trippie Redd, but the thing is, I don't got the pictures in there and stuff like that.
Well, that's awesome.
And that guy's young like you guys, but he's called me and he's told me this. He said, "Oh man," he told me, "Oh man, you probably have to just save my life." I said, "I'm not doing it on purpose. I'm doing it so that you can enjoy your life with money instead of thinking that you got money and all of a sudden you got a grave." What the fuck are you used to being young and having money? To kill yourself? Fuck man. Have fun, bro.
It's time to eat the Whopper now. It tastes like internet.
It's like internet?
Yeah, because I ordered it from the internet. There's something wrong about this one.
How's the Whopper? What do you mean you don't know, dude? We're reviewing a Whopper. What do you mean you don't know? That's like the whole thing. Thank you. Have a good one. How many stars would you give it? 1 out of 5. The sandwich.
3.
A 3. Damn.
Thank you.
Experience out of 5.
The experience of 5.
All right. All right.
All right, let's turn this light on and check this out, guys. Shit. Okay. There we go.
Good
Cup
job.
holder. This wraps it up for today's video. If you would like to see more, please comment. And we're gonna end this off with a loud ass burp.